Hi there, welcome back. This week I have come up with a recycling project. For this, I have used an empty pine sol bottle and a store bought air dry clay. You can use a homemade air dry clay as well. The project that I have made this week is called Buddha Stupa. Stupa means a monument or a Buddha temple. The inspiration I got for this project was from Shanti Stupa at Ladakh, and there is another Vishwa Shanti Stupa at Delhi as well. I hope you like this week's project. And just a reminder, please subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to like and share. And now, let's get right to it. This is the empty pine sol bottle and I have cut an opening to it. And now we will start building the... Here I have used the stencil pieces to make monk figures to put around the dome. The radius of the cardboard circles is 1.5 inch bigger than the radius of pine sol bottle circle. Change the measurements of the cardboard circle as per your requirement or as per your liking, of course. Now I have started building the top of the stupa, which is called yasti or spire. To make this piece, first I drew the circle around the lid of the bottle and then drew a square as big as I wanted around it and then cut it out. I cut another square of the same size and then cut out the pieces that would go around the square that I've stuck on the top of the bottle. Yasti is quite a tall structure, so we are still building it. I have started making circles to build upon the base. I cut different size circles in set of 3 of each size. Then I stuck them together, put masking tape around them, and then arranged them from biggest to smallest as shown. Here I fixed the seat to place Bhagwan Buddha figurine. Buddha figurine you'll see in the later part of this video. I have sculpted it myself but not shown how to sculpt in this video. If you're interested, please let me know in the comment section and I'll upload that video as well. To make the edges smoother on the cardboard as well as on the plastic bottle, I stuck the paper napkin. Now I'm making the pole or stumbas that will be placed right next to the seat that I made earlier. The pole, I just took a piece of cardboard, I just eyeballed it, nothing specific with measurements, then scored it in 3 places and then folded it to make a square or a rectangle shape as I wanted. We cannot just leave the poles as is, right? So I've started building the arches on the top of the stamba, and usually in the temples and stupas as well, the poles and arches are decorated. I'm sticking this strip around the dome so later on I can put some decorations on it. Although Buddha stupas are not very decorated structures, they look very elegant. Here I have finished building the arch over the stamba. Here I am putting the strip of cardboard around the base of the dome to give it a finished look. Now that the stupa is built, time to cover it with the clay. I have used glue to stick the clay and water to smooth it out. I have to say, covering this kind of structure with the clay is a little tedious, but worth it. To make this lotus, I cut two different sizes of flowers using the cookie cutter, placed smaller flower in the bigger flower, and the center I made with the aluminum foil covered with the clay. Here I have used the stencil pieces to make monk figures to put around the dome. I use stamp that will look like Dharma Chakra for decoration. Some more decoration using the silicone mold. I painted the stupa with the pearl white first and then regular white, and then I painted the decorations with the golden paint. I sculpted this Buddha figure and painted it gold. And that's how it looks, day and night. See you in the next video. Bye.